Speaker Kenneth Marende has directed that Finance Minister Uhuru Kenyatta should explain to Parliament the apparent discrepancies between the monies allocated to various ministries in the 2008-2009 budget. Imanyara claims the Finance Minister could have presented to Parliament inaccurate documents during the appeal for more money in a supplementary budget.
I am seeking the Minister of Finance to come and tell this House why they presented documents, estimate this House, that are forged or that contain false entries that resulted in this House approving a budget that shows an amount of in excess of 9.2 billion.
According to the document tabled by the MP, tens of millions could have been skimmed off from figures allocated for certain items in particular ministries. For example, in the Office of the Vice President and Minister of Home Affairs, the documents show that while 483 million shillings was allocated for personal allowances in prison headquarters, provincial offices, prison staff training colleges, only 62 million is indicated as having been allocated. Some 421 million is unaccounted for. In the Ministry of Agriculture, General Administration and Extension offices are shown to have been allocated about 593 million shillings, but Treasury allegedly only shows 478 million shillings. 114 million shillings is apparently missing. In the Ministry of Medical Services, Mental Health and Pharmacy Services were allocated 127 million for personal allowances. The document shows that Treasury indicates only 58 million shillings was approved. 68 million is not shown anywhere. The vote for the Ministry of Public Works is missing 178 million shillings, while that of the Judicial Department has 60 million shillings missing. The Ministry of Education is missing 8 billion shillings, while the Science and Technology vote has 92 million shillings unaccounted for. According to the Imenti Central MP, Gitobu Imanyara, a total of 9.2 billion shillings has somehow gone missing between the time the monies were approved in the national budget last June and the time Uhuru Kenyatta came for more money last week. The Finance Minister has been directed to present an explanation on Thursday.